Hello everyone. So we're going to start with question number 22, in which we have been given an equation. We have to simplify and find the answer for it. So in here we have to find the integral value of the given question, which is said sin square x plus into cos square x upon sine to the power of 5x plus cos to the power 3x into cos square x plus cos cube x cos square x plus cos 5x whole to the power 2. So in this type of question, they are a little bit tricky. So we have to use a trick to solve it. So in this question, we can see that we have been given sine and cos. So we have to simplify both of them into a simple one term. So here we will use a trick in which we will multiply by tan to the power 10 x. So this question you will get an idea by practicing daily. So here we can see that we have been given an equation and we have divided it by cos 10x so that we make one term which is similar in up and down, mostly the one term tan square. So now we will simplify it further by taking tan x equals to t. So by simplifying it further, we will take tan square x common and we will have tan square into 1 plus tan square to the power 2 and tan to the power 5 plus tan square plus tan cube plus 1 whole square. So we will form two equations by simplifying the denominator, and now we will simplify it further and we will have tan square upon tan cube plus 1 whole square. And now integrating both the terms dy by dx, we will have the answer which is minus 1 by 3 1 upon tan cube x plus 1 plus the constant. Thank you.